Walk on air. Understanding an idiomatic expression. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, walk on air. Understanding idiomatic expressions like this is crucial for mastering English, as they add color and depth to your communication. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to walk on air. Walk on air is an idiomatic expression that means to feel extremely happy or elated. Imagine being so joyful that it feels like your feet are not touching the ground. This phrase is often used when someone is celebrating a big success or experiencing great joy. For example, after hearing the news of her promotion, she was walking on air for days. This implies that the person was in a state of great happiness due to the good news. The origin of the phrase, walk on air, is somewhat elusive, but it's believed to have poetic roots. It's a metaphorical expression that vividly conveys the lightness and euphoria associated with extreme happiness, as if one is so light with joy that they could float or walk on air. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. 1. When he won the lottery, he was walking on air. 2. She's been walking on air ever since she got engaged. 3. The students walked on air after their team won the championship. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a state of happiness related to a specific event or achievement. There are other expressions in English that convey similar feelings. For example, over the moon, extremely pleased or happy. On cloud 9, feeling great joy. In seventh heaven, in a state of bliss. Understanding these can help you express similar feelings in different ways. And that's a wrap on the phrase, walk on air. I hope you now feel confident using this expression in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this add flavor to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll be walking on air with your English skills in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.